Being a student and having a side job isn't easy. You have to manage your hours of study and hours of the job. But we can all agree that a side job really helps. Let's say you're doing great in your side job, and by doing great, I mean you're making good money. But having that much money can make you lose it more quickly. Let's assume you've made $10,000. Now you want to save them. But how? That's what we are here to discuss. So, without further ado, let's get straight into this. 1. Don't live on the college campus. Some argue that living in a dorm is an essential experience for first-year college students, and while it is certainly enjoyable, it is also costly. Living on campus at a school can be around $10,000 per year. Living off campus and renting for $300 to $400 per month can save you around $6,000 yearly. Even if you attend school in an area with higher rent than in the city, you can still benefit from living off campus. Dining plans are usually required for on-campus housing, but you can save money by cooking your meals. It saves time and budget when you cook your meal, and if you do it right, you never have to go to a fancy restaurant ever again. Paying less for living and cooking can save you a lot more money than paying for campus residence and cafeteria charges. 2. Don't spend on pointless things. One strategy is to save $10,000 in a year is to go on a spending fast for a month. This will serve as a jumpstart to your efforts and help you accomplish your target more quickly. A spending fast is when you refrain from shopping or spending in certain categories to reduce your cash flow. By planning ahead, you can distinguish your needs and wants, allowing you to spend less and save more. Having this much money can make you spend it on things you don't need. For example, you have bought toothpaste. Now, since you have money, you think of buying another one just in case because you think that you can save time. It sure saves time, but buying another one is pointless when you're already spending on your budget. Many people limit their spending to necessities such as food to be prepared at home and gas, while others treat themselves to a meal out or a pass to see a new film they've wanted to see. 3. Reduce your interest burden. Reducing your interest burden is another effective way to cut costs and make more money available for savings. Many students want everything: a house, a car, a home theater system, a dishwasher, and a double-door refrigerator because they have money. It is possible to do so online with a few simple keystrokes. However, it has been discovered that instant gratification frequently comes at a high cost that can take years to repay and even years off your life. Prioritizing and reducing debt is the first and most important step towards saving. If you recently graduated from an institute and have student loan debt, make it a priority to pay it off before upgrading your lifestyle. For others, consider your loans and how long it will take you to pay them off. You can liquidate some of your savings or fixed deposits to reduce your debt burden. Consider repaying debts with a bonus or dividend to reduce your interest burden. 4. Cook from scratch. Almost anything you make from scratch will be less expensive and healthier than processed, canned, or frozen versions. In fact, it will be superior to most restaurant fares. Homemade meals are less expensive, healthier, tastier, and better for the environment. We believe that more people don't like vegetables because they never enjoyed eating well-seasoned, fresh vegetables cooked with love. Saving money by cooking at home also provides other benefits, such as the delicious texture of home-cooked dried beans, the aroma of baking bread, and the enjoyment of licking the beater after making chocolate frosting. While you manage your way through college, cooking meals for yourself and your friends can benefit you in the future. Even if you don't have much money for yourself, if you cook your meals yourself, you know what suits you, and you have an idea of how much money you have spent and how much you have saved. 5. Don't buy brand new books. The College Board estimates that students spend around $1,200 a year on books. You don't have to. Many students already rent textbooks through services such as Chegg and Amazon, but the books you require are most likely available for borrowing. You can frequently find copies at your campus library or local library, which have been donated by students who had paid the sticker price. If you can't find what you're looking for, try WorldCat, a network that allows you to search libraries across the country. Keep in mind that the text may also be available as an ebook. PDF versions may be available, particularly for literature classes, but you should only use this tip for public domain textbooks. Search sites like Project Gutenberg or look up the copyright information for each book. 6. Update your monthly budget. Being a student and managing money is a hard job to do. Make time to sit down and work on your budget regularly. You can do this monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annual, depending on what works best for you. The key is not to worry about it. Budgeting isn't meant to be restrictive and stressful. On the other hand, budgeting is there to help you see where your money is going. By analysing where your money comes from and where it goes, you can find areas where you can cut back or increase your income. This results in more money each month, which will help you reach your financial goals. Budgets can be made using apps, spreadsheets, paper, or envelopes. Use whichever method makes the most sense to you. 7. Pick up more side hustles. In addition to saving $10,000 per year, you can earn $10,000 per year through side hustles. Making money online while working from home or going out and doing community service are examples of side hustles. Some students do their side hustles once a week, while others do them every day, and some people live off their side hustles, essentially working for themselves on their own schedule all of the time. Making money online could be one way you choose to supplement your income. There are many creative ways you can begin earning money to help you reach your $10,000 savings goal, such as starting a blog or creating an e-commerce store with clothing and swag. 8. Automate your savings. Because you're paying yourself without even thinking about it, automating your savings allows you to save money with each paycheck. One strategy is to have a checking account where you deposit all of your earnings. Then, set up an automatic transfer to send a set amount of money to your savings account on the first of each month. If your savings account is at another bank, this may make your money more difficult to access on the spur of the moment, which is a plus. This fixed amount compels you to start saving right away. You may want to consider investing automatically if you have a retirement account, such as a Roth IRA. As a student, having a savings account goes a long way in saving extra money. The money is safe because you know you can't use that money unless there's an emergency. 9. Create a passive income. There are numerous ways to generate passive income streams, and even a few dollars per day can quickly add up. If you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you will earn money every month or quarter with no effort. Creating a blog or YouTube channel and monetizing it with ads and affiliate marketing is a semi-passive way to earn money. Once your content is complete, you will be paid every day for your efforts. Passive income takes time, so it is often best to focus on one stream at a time to build it up and stabilize it before using some of that money to fund the next. 10. Track your progress. It is critical to keep track of your progress and to celebrate your achievements as a student. This will keep you motivated while also determining what works best and what needs improvement, or what to focus on more and less. Before saving $10,000 in a year, you need to start with smaller amounts, such as $5,000 or $1,000. Then, after reaching victory, reward yourself in some way. Consider making a spreadsheet or keeping track of your savings on a piece of paper. Create 20 boxes, each worth $500, and check off a box or add a sticker to the box every time you save $500. You will have accomplished your goal once all 20 boxes have been checked. As you save money, rejoice. This could include things like getting your hair and nails done or purchasing a new video game. Saving money is far more difficult than earning it, but you can do this. But remember, be patient. Wait for the results to show up. Trust on numbers and you'll be good to go. That's all for today. Please share this video if it was a little helpful to you.